Now, I'm okay with this one dipping a little bit because we still have section 1 to bring back. Alright, even though on this side it's higher, but it's okay to be a little bit lower here because I still have section 1 to bring back. Nothing is going to go anywhere. Okay, nothing's going to go anywhere. The ponytails are doing all the work. And once you realize the photo is just an option, it's just an idea, it's a feeling, it's an emotional representation of how she wants to feel on her wedding day, not a blueprint for her hair. Because it's got to be custom to her. It's got to be custom to her. And you and I both know mannequin hair is a lot easier than real hair, but if you put the curls in, take the time and put the curls in, you can get the fullness you need. I'm just going to do that loop, so I'm going to hide the elastic. Maybe at this point everything's great and you just want to, maybe you could use this area to give her like a hair flower or something. That would really make your work stand out, and I think that's what I'm going to do. What do you know, this is the trial. What are you wearing in your hair? So I have this beautiful, beautiful comb. It's got this gorgeous, you know, rhinestone or whatever. You know, did you have an idea about where exactly you wanted this beautiful comb? Well, no, I really didn't. I said, all right, well, I'm gonna make this place back here to house your beautiful comb. Oh, really? Oh my gosh. Okay. I can't wait to see it. Do you think she's going to go anywhere else on her wedding day? It's all in the language. They want to like what you do. They really do want to like what you do. They're not going to look for mistakes. They want to like it. You're judging yourself. They're not judging you. So it's really important that you don't allow that self-judging, because then if she sees you're nervous, she's going to be thinking, oh my God, what's wrong with my hair? She seems nervous. And then she's going to look for something wrong when you spin her around. And so it's so important that we don't do that for them. And there we have it. If there's any other tweaking, you know, any of these can, if she doesn't like those loose bits, we can do another kind of flowery thing here. We can leave them down. This is where you, with the trial, you spin her around and you give her options. We leave your loose bits down. We can do another curl. This is the trial. You show, you know, you tell me, and you work it out with the guest.